Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. So, you have been wanting to hwat big, but your day job pays you very little, or maybe your stock investments like Dogecoin or AMC haven't been doing so well lately. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 ways on how you can earn extra money. Now, of course, doing this will make you rich. So, you don't just do one and be like, well, lambo. These are just simple jobs or methods that will help you earn a bit of side income. Good enough for you to buy fish with Thai fun or maybe help you out during tough times. But before I start, I would greatly appreciate it if you can help to tap the like button because it will help out with the channel a lot. In return, I will show you a dog in a Lambo. Alright, let's start right now. The first one on this list is surveys. Sometimes you are super free, like you eat fufu, nothing better to do, or maybe you are still waiting for a friend who is always late. In that case, you can try doing some surveys and get paid. There are a lot of survey sites, but I found that the popular ones are Melio, YouGov, and Opinion World. There are all kinds of surveys, but I usually get surveys by brands or companies which are trying to find out what are their customers' preferences. Each of the surveys take about 5 to 15 minutes to do, and every time you complete them, they will give you some points which you can then exchange for the reward. For example, Melio lets you convert your points to Guardian e-vouchers, cold storage vouchers, so you can buy a broccoli there. 7-Eleven, and if you want cold hard cash, you can withdraw via PayNow. YouGov lets you withdraw cash via PayPal, same for Opinion World. In the past, when I used to have more free time, I did surveys frequently, and I would be earning about $15 to $25 every month, which is ain't much, but it's honest work. I would say that it's good money, considering that otherwise, you will be just sitting there, swiping up your Facebook or Instagram, looking at your friends' photos. So, if you want to earn some free money while you are free, go do some online surveys. Second, freelance. Everyone is good at something. If you have hands and legs, then you can definitely earn some money doing freelance. The three main sites for freelancing are Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. There are a lot of freelance services that you can offer. Maybe you are good at graphics and design, then you can help someone design their game art. Or maybe you are good at video editing, they will pay good money to you. But maybe you are like, I don't have any skills. Well, you know how to use the keyboard, right? Maybe you can consider a data entry job. The pay is easily $10 and upwards. There are lots and lots of freelance jobs online. The benefit is that you can do all this without having to leave your house. Otaku. One thing I found out was that there are a lot of people working as full-time online freelancers. But you don't have to go that far, obviously, because your mom might scold you if you don't find a real job, like a lawyer or doctor. As long as you have some free time after work or on the weekends, and you want to earn some side income, then go do some online freelance. Third, speaking of online jobs, next we have online tutoring. You are probably not a rich boy, but you might be a smart boy or girl. You always scored A+ in your exams last time, and your neighbor's mom always tells her kid, you see that neighbor Xiaoming, he always get A+ in your exam. Why can't you be as smart as him? In that case, you can consider doing online tutoring. It has been found that tuition industry is very profitable in Singapore. There's a lot of websites that lets you teach tutoring online, like Tenopy, Smart Tutor, Teach and Learn. You can also offer your services in Carousel. Each job can easily let you earn few $10 every hour. There's also one tutoring app I want to intro, and that is Snap Ask. You will earn a bit of money by answering questions, and according to the founder, tutors can earn about $1,200 a month by spending 2 hours a day answering questions, which I think is not bad at all. So do check them out if you want to earn money while doing online tutoring. Next, besides earning money online, you can also consider working as a food delivery person. There's 3 main delivery services: Foodpanda, GrabFood, and Deliveroo. According to Money Smart, you can earn around $15 per hour on average. The usual modes of transport are walking, bicycle, e-bike, or motorbike. As for flexibility, Deliveroo and Foodpanda works on a shift system, and GrabFood be like, you work low, you don't like, also never mind, aka own time, own target. Seedly has a great comparison between the platforms, so you can check them out if you are interested to try. This job is good for earning a steady income because food delivery is super popular in Singapore. But the downside is that you are always outside, and you know lah, Singapore is either rainy or sunny, both of which are very tough weathers to be in. And if you are unlucky, you might even get into car accidents on the road, which will be bad. But I guess the upside is you will have some big leg muscles and could even do the 2.4 km in 7 minutes challenge easily. Fifth, maybe you are an influencer or micro-influencer and you have a few hundred people following you on Instagram or Facebook. In that case, good news! I have a lobang for you to earn money. There are 4 platforms that you can check out: Party Post, Narrators, Start Engage, and Sample Store. Once you sign up, you can look for campaigns that you want to promote. For example, in party posts, Circus Life is paying $30 for you to promote on Instagram. As long as you are 19 to 45 years old and have 200 followers, you are good to go. Personally, I think this is a very easy way to earn money. All you need is just take a few minutes to selfie, write some interesting description, then post on your Instagram or Facebook. So yeah, if you have a few hundred followers, this is an easy money for you. Here's another easy online job that you can do: website and app testing. For this, you can check out user testing. So it's actually super simple. All you need is a computer and a mic, which your computer should have, unless it's a potato. You will need to perform certain tasks on websites to help test the usability, then give your feedback, whether it's good or bad, easy or difficult to use, how to improve, etc. They will pay you about $10 for every 20 minutes test and $30 to $120 for live interviews, which, to be frank, is a lot of money. Next, Signup Rewards. It's not technically a job, but it's a way to earn money, which is the topic of this video. Here's the interesting thing. A lot of finance-related platforms will pay you to sign up. The two highest paying sites is Moomoo and Tiger Brokers. The rewards will change every once in a while, but as of making this video, if you sign up to Moomoo, deposit $2,700 and trade 5 times, they will give you an Apple share worth around $150 US. For Tiger Brokers, it's just depositing $2,000 and you will get the free Apple share. Besides that, there's a lot of platforms like Hodernot giving $20 sign-up bonus if you deposit $1,000, Crypto.com gives you $25 if you sign up and stake for a card, Celsius gives you $40 if you deposit $400 and hold for 30 days. Just in case you're wondering, no, I'm not sharing this to ask you to sign up with my code. You can always use your friend's code, and if they refer you, they will be rewarded too, which will be the best because it's like you giving them free money. Besides signing up the platforms, you will also get free stuff when you sign up for credit cards and pay using a card. The best part is, each free stuff will easily worth a few $100s. For example, you sign up for Citi Cashback Plus card, then spend $500 in 30 days, you will get a Nintendo Switch worth $500 or EgoTune chair worth $600. Or if you sign up for the Standard Chartered Unlimited credit card, then spend $300 in 30 days, they will give you a Lumos projector worth $300 or $250 cash. Sign up link down below if you are interested. By the way, this trick is not new. Many people have been doing it for years, me included. There's a term for it, and it's called credit card churning. Basically, you sign up for credit cards, spend on it, earn rewards, then possibly close the card a few months later. Now, obviously, there are some things you will need to take note. First, when you sign up for the card, the first year's annual fee will be usually waived off. But in the second year, if you didn't really use the card, they will charge you around $192 annual fee. So, if you don't really use the card, best to close it after a few months. Second, whenever you sign up for a card, your credit score will go down a bit. This will affect you if you are buying super expensive stuff like HDB or a car. So if you have some big expenses coming out, don't anyhow sign up for a lot of cards just to get those free gifts, because you might end up having a lower credit score and the bank might not want to lend you money. Third, once you cancel the card, you won't qualify for free gifts within 12 months. But after 12 months, then you can do it all over again. Next, flipping free items. So, did you know that people are giving out free stuff on Carousel and Facebook groups? You'll be like, what? You mean there's free stuff on Carousel? Yes, this is something not many people know, but now everyone will know. To find it in the app, just scroll down, under Explore Carousel, scroll right, and you will see free items. Here, they have a lot of free stuff. Random stuff like clothes, organizers. They even have working furniture like table, chair, baby cot, shoe rack. Meanwhile, there's a lot of Facebook groups giving out free stuff like art stuff, baby stuff, clothes, plants, furniture. There's a lot of reasons why people will give out stuff for free. Some of them just don't want to deal with the hassle of finding a buyer. Others are in a hurry to get rid of their stuff. Here's the idea: you can get these items for free, then resell them for a few $10 in Carousel. Worst case, nobody wants to buy them, then you can just give them out for free again. There's two downsides here. First, if it's a big item like furniture, then you will need to pay for delivery. Second, you will need to find storage space in your house while you are looking for buyers. So if you want some side income and have some free storage space, then you can consider flipping free items for free. Next, earn high interest on your stable coins. I've made an entire video talking about it, talk until my saliva also dry. Basically, instead of keeping your SGD in so-called high-interest bank account and earning a super sad 0.5%, you can convert your SGD into stable coins like USDC or DAI, then store them in high-interest account like Hodernot or Celsius. Hodernot pays 12% on USDC 8% on DAI, Celsius pays about 8.88% on USDC and 4.6% on DAI. Now, obviously, there are risks to doing this because otherwise, everyone will be doing it. The two biggest risks is that the platform might get hacked or the platform suddenly shuts down. If any of this happens, you will lose everything. MAS will help you also. They'll be like, oh, you lose money, yeah? Or be good. So only put in what you can afford to lose, yeah? Again, if you want to sign up, you can just get the referral from your friend. Otherwise, you can just use mine to sign up. All in all, those were the 10 ways that you can earn extra money. Which ones are you using? Let me know down below. Like, share, and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.